Hi, I'm Jeremy Fisher, and in this tutorial we're looking at the song Funk 49 by the James Gang. If you enjoy this video and you want to buy me a cup of coffee, you can do that in the description. Now let's take a look at how to play the intro. There it is to speed. It's a little pentatonic, minor pentatonic riff in A minor. And we're gonna start with a bend up. I'm on the 7th fret of the 3rd string. And here's a little tip. I use all 3 of these fingers to do this bend. I use 11s. That's the fairly heavy string gauge for electrics. So it really helps get a solid bend. But even if I'm playing on 10s or 9s, I'll do that just to make sure that I've got a good strong support there. So then I got my pinky on the 8th fret of the 2nd string. So I'm doing a little bend there on the 5th fret. Just a little bluesy, not quite in tune, not quite a minor, not quite a major 3rd. And then this bend, which is like kind of falls down, so you got to find 4 different spots. There's 4 notes. And then these pull-offs. Okay, we're almost there. Just 7-5 open, 7-5 open on the 3rd string and then the 4th string. But it happens very fast. And then really make sure you get that major 3rd in there because you can really hear it ringing out on the record and it establishes the vibe for sure. Okay, now before we get into what the chords are, I just want to say generally, in the right hand, we're doing 16th notes. That's keeping that funky rhythm. And there's lots of chucking, a lot of muted strings, muted with the left hand, just chucking with the right. But here are the chords. So we're doing that minor 3rd to major. And then up here, hammer on. With a lot of wacky vibrato there. That's a real part of the sound there, is how much he kind of wiggles that chord, which is kind of uncommon to do with 3 strings, but it sounds funky. And that's the crux of the riff right there. Let's do it one more time like that, nice and slow. That big open A string at the end of the riff. Repeats, that's the verse right there. Okay, the next part, equally as fun. What a fun song this is to play on the guitar. I just love it. Minor pentatonic riff. Feels like the kind of riff we should all have written, but Joe Walsh did it. Write down the minor pentatonic from this A to this A. Play your power chord like that or like this. And that one he hangs on to, little vibrato there. Repeat. Then we take that whole thing, we've already learned the next part, we just got to move it up 2 frets to the B minor pentatonic. So it ends on that E7 sharp 9. I always think of it as the Jimi Hendrix chord. Because we've got, I think he's just playing into a Fender Champ or something like that, so the internet tells me. I've got 2 boosts on, driving my amp. I got a deluxe reverb that I'm playing through right now. So it gets kind of messy when you play a 4-note chord. So I really err on the side of hitting the, certainly that sharp 9. Those 2 notes, super important. That one also important. The root, not as important. I don't want that to ring out as loud as, because on the record, it's just like, it's nasty and overdriven, but clean. Because I think he's using single coil pickups. Says also on the internet he plays a Telecaster, but sometimes it sounds like a neck or a bridge position single coil on a Stratocaster, which is what he plays on a live version that I found on YouTube. Anyway, that is basically the whole song. I'm not gonna get into the other parts. Those are kind of the fun parts I wanted to highlight in this video. Let's play through a little bit slower than I did at the intro, okay? So... Again, my name is Jeremy Fisher. Thanks a lot for following along with me today. If you're looking for more tutorials, head on over to patreon.com/JeremyFisherMusic. It's a great place to connect with me personally. Let me know what you think of these. Let me know what songs you want to learn next. And I'll see you back here soon for another music tutorial.